Hello, my name is Sherry Castellan. I'm the broker associate with Rentals and SF, and I am here at 999 Bush to show you one of our efficiency studios, apartment 506. So right when you come in the front door of the unit, you are in the main room of the studio. I think it would accommodate a full-size bed or queen-size bed in this room. It is a corner unit and we're on the 5th floor out of 6 altogether. Gets nice natural light, high ceilings. Here is the kitchenette. That microwave is not from the landlord, that's from the prior tenant. We're gonna be taking that out, but just know there is a shelf to put a microwave of your own, and then a little 2-burner gas cooktop and the kitchen sink and some cabinets. And then we have a fridge here that I'll show you in just a minute. To the right of the kitchenette is a closet that could either serve as a pantry or a linen closet, or 50-50 between those two things. That is the heater there on the wall, electric wall-mounted heat. Okay, and then when you pass here to the left of the kitchenette, here's the fridge, also the breaker box for the unit. Big shelf, well, actually a couple of shelves here for some extra storage space, and a bar for hanging clothes here behind the door. And then lastly, we have the bathroom. Full bath, shower over tub, got tile floor in here, old clawfoot tub, and there is a pedestal sink, and then also a medicine chest. Some storage inside. Okay, mirrored medicine chest. Hi everybody. A couple more shelves in here for your bathroom items. Okay, this building does have an elevator, and it also has a public laundromat that has a great little cafe. And also we're right next door to a really lovely market called the Mayflower Market. And hop, skip, and a jump to downtown San Francisco. So if you're needing easy access to the financial district, this is a great location. Okay, thanks so much for watching. This was apartment 506.